If you ever dream of reaching out and snipping some fresh, succulent tomatoes from your balcony, backyard, or even kitchen window, then today's video is for you. I'm going to take you by the hand, step by step, through how to grow tomatoes indoor, from seed to plate, no matter what space you have. So let's begin. Part 1. Why grow tomatoes at home? Tomatoes are one of the easiest and most gratifying crops to grow. They don't require planting in a big garden, just sunlight, water, and some attention. Freshly homegrown tomatoes taste immensely better than those store-bought ones because they are harvested when they are ripe, not too early. And they have vitamins A and C, antioxidants, which are healthy for you. Whether you have a backyard or just an apartment, you can cultivate tomatoes in grow bags, pots, or directly into the soil. Let's consider how. I got something special for you, a free ebook that helps you achieve financial freedom. All you have to do is to drop your email below and it's yours. Part 2. Choosing the right tomato variety. Begin by selecting the right variety of tomato for your growing conditions. There are two general categories. Determinate bushy tomatoes. These are compact plants that grow to a certain height and produce fruit all at once. Great for containers and small spaces. Indeterminate waning tomatoes. These keep growing and producing fruit all season long, perfect for garden beds or large pot with support stakes. If you are a beginner, try cherry potatoes or dove varieties. They grow fast and they are very forgiving. Part 3. Preparing the soil or pot. Tomatoes love rich, well-draining soil. If you are growing in pots, pick containers that are at least 12 inches deep. Fill them with a mix of 50% garden soil or potting mix, 30% compost or organic, 20% of cocoa peat or sand for drainage. Add a handful of crushed eggshells or bone meal. They are great resources for calcium and help blossom and rot. Part 4. Sowing tomato seeds or seedlings. Tomatoes can be grown from seeds or bought as young plants from a nursery. If sowing from seeds in pots or tray about percentage inch deep, water and warm up 25 degrees Celsius is a good level. Seeds usually germinate in 5 to 10 days. Once your seedlings reach the height of 6 to 8 inches, transplant them into a bigger pots or your garden. Plant the plants deeply so that the top leaves will show. This will stimulate the plant to grow a deeper root system. Part 5. Sunlight and watering. Tomatoes need at least 6 to 8 hours of sun per day, so place them where they get plenty of light. A balcony, terrace, or sunny window is perfect. Water frequently but not excessively. The ground needs to be moist, not soap. Deep watering from time to time is better than shallow watering daily. Water your plants in the morning. Part 6. Supporting and pruning. Support your tomato plants as it grows. Provide support with a stick, trellis, or cage to keep branches upright and prevent the fruit from being on the ground. Cut off lower leaves and small shoots that develop between main stem and branches. Let air pass through and ensure your plant does not have diseases with less opportunity for fungi diseases. Part 7. Fertilizing. Fertilize your tomato plants every 2 weeks using a balanced fertilizer or organic tea. Alternatively, you can also use banana peel fertilizer for potassium or salt for magnesium, both of which promote flowering and fruiting. Don't forget excess nitrogen, such as cow dung or urine. Causes the plant to produce much foliage but little tomato, so keep it balanced. Part 8. Pests and disease control. Most prevalent tomato insects are whiteflies and caterpillars. You can control them organically by spraying neem oil or soapy water every week. Yellow leaves can be due to overwatering or nutrient lack. Removing infested leaves and alter your watering schedule. Part 9. Harvesting. Based on the variety, tomatoes are ready to harvest between 60 and 90 days. You'll be able to tell that they are ripe when they turn red, orange, or yellow, depending on the variety, and they're slightly soft to the touch. Twist or snip the fruit gently from the vine. The more you harvest, the more the plant will produce. To wrap up, remember these 3 golden rules. Number 1, lots of sunlight. Second, deep regular watering. Third, pruning and balanced feeding. Just follow these steps and you'll be getting a continuous supply of delicious homegrown tomatoes throughout the season. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more home gardening tips. Happy planting on, and I'll see you in the next video.